All right, and what else do we have? Maybe we will add more condition, and let's say, or not more condition, but I want to replace the condition for pressure to permeability. So it's like this. So perm X, permeability in X direction, I want to find which cells, which blocks, whose permeability in X direction are greater than the average permeability in X direction. Okay, greater than the average. So we can do that by typing this perm X greater than the average of perm X. It's like this. I just replace the pressure criteria and I change it with perm X. So everything else will be the same. I want to find the producer, this one for producer, and for the oil saturation, and now for the perm X. Let's say click on apply. Okay, there is red color here. I think we need to add more here. Okay, so we have more new cells, okay, with red color. So it means that red color for sure, it has good saturation greater than 0.5 and, permeability greater than the average permeability. And again, maybe you want to do something with that interval. Maybe you want to do workover, or maybe you want to optimize your production from that interval. Okay, whatever you need to do. All right. Okay, so again, the red color are for blocks where oil saturation is greater than 0.5 and permeability in X direction is greater than average permeability. Okay, so it's again very useful and very handy. You can very quickly identify blocks or intervals that maybe need more of your consideration. All right, and I think lastly, we can do something about trajectory loading. Okay, we want to load trajectory. And how do we do that? First, we go to